Hey guys, welcome to our channel Student Impulse, a unique channel to help job seekers, both freshers and experienced professionals. It also helps students to get to know what the skill set they have to improve during their studies, which lands them a dream job after their education.
Video, I am going to share some of the latest job openings in Ranchi location. Let's discuss one by one. Firstly, there is a job vacancy for front office executive position from Contact Care Eye Hospital located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They have openings for front office executive position at their eye hospital. It's a full-time job. So interested candidates for detailed information about this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9324942441. There is a job vacancy for claims investigator position from Optimus Medical Services Private Limited located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary range between 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position, and it is for male candidates. Age should be between 15 to 20 and must have a two-wheeler. Coming to qualification required, DMLT, Diploma Nursing, BCom, BSc, BA or Diploma. So these candidates can apply for this position. Salary will be discussed over call. So 0 to 1 year of experienced candidates in insurance claims are eligible to apply for this position, and interested candidates should please check with the job description and as well as the skills required for this position. And for additional information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7008655060. There is a job vacancy for customer relationship officer position from Savera Infotech located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So for this, the educational qualification details are BA, BCom, BCA, BPA, MCA or MBA are equivalent. 0 to 5 years of experienced candidates are required for this position. I mean, freshers can also apply for this. So it is for only female candidates. They have provided here the email ID and the website link. We have provided here the contact number. So interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. For detailed information, you can check on the website link provided here, and you can also call to them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 8356559202. There is a job vacancy for female career counselor or academic counselor or administration office administrator position from Omega Education Services Private Limited located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are looking for female candidates for this position. And coming to job profile, you need to recruit the tutors in office according to company norms and to counsel the students and the parents to coordinate the upper executive, and you please check with the job profile provided here. At least 2 years of experience is needed for this position, and you can approach them with the given address details or else with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 9386151515. There is a job vacancy for junior executive quality position from Raj Hospitals located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary range between 12,000 to 15,000 rupees per month for this position. They are requiring minimum 1 year of experience candidate in quality department. The candidate should be having computer knowledge. So interested candidates for this position, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 9771466647. There is a job vacancy for physics faculty position from Mindmakers Institute located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 30,000 rupees per month. You need to teach to class 11th, 12th and passed out students, and it is for online and offline classes located in Lalpur, Ranchi, Jharkhand. So interested people can reply to this contact number. You can approach them with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 7323909707. There is a job vacancy for public relations officer from Savera Infotech located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. And for this, the education qualification will be BA, BCom, BBA, BCA, mass communication, graduate or equivalent. 0 to 1 year of experience is required for this position. I mean, freshers can also apply. Salary is best in the industry. And for interested candidates, you can approach them with the given phone number, or else you can send your resumes to the provided email ID. And you can also check in the website link provided here for detailed information about this position. There is a job vacancy of a pre-primary English teacher position. It is from Springdale's School located in Ranchi. They are offering a salary for this position is 8,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, so please check with the details provided here, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for additional information, that is 70700 90693. Next, Jharkhand Space Application Center is hiring for the position of Junior Research Fellow located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 18,000 rupees per month. 6 vacancies are available for this position. 1 to 3 years of experience is required. The qualification will be MSc, ME or MTech. Last date to apply for this position is 3rd March 2021. Interested candidates, so please check with the selection procedure. It will be available in the given website link provided here. And if you visit this website link, you will get a more detailed information for this position. And you can also apply through this website link. Next, Rajendra Institute of Medical Sciences, an autonomous institute under the government of Jharkhand, Ranchi, Jharkhand. So it is hiring for the position of a principal located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 80,000 rupees per month. One vacancy is available for this post. Fresher, 1 year fresher or 25 years of experienced candidate having Masters of Dental Surgery qualification. These candidates can eligible to apply for this position. Last date will be 15th March 2021 to apply for this position. So interested candidates, so please check in the website link provided here for detailed information and also selection procedure. Next, there is a job vacancy for law faculty position from Divine Institute for Judicial Services located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are requiring for law faculty for judiciary coaching, and the candidate must have experience of judicial services. So interested candidates, for detailed information, you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8328809265. Next, there is a job vacancy for medical coordinator position from Santivita located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. For this, the qualification will be BA, MS, BUMS, BDS. 1 to 2 years of experience is required in hospital. Job description will be salary will not be a constant for a right candidate. So, interested candidates, so please send your CV to the provided email ID, and you can also get in touch at this mobile number between 10 a.m. to 5 p.m. Monday to Saturday. For detailed information, you can approach the given phone number, that is 65130111103. Next, there is a job vacancy for floor executive position from ACMS Hospital located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. So this is the company description, and this is the job description. You please check with this ones. Interested candidates who can contact with the given phone number for detailed information, that is 7050539000. Next, there is a job vacancy for marketing executive position from Divine Group of Institutions located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary range between 13,000 to 18,000 rupees per month for this position, and courses will be judicial services, civil services, banking, or SSC, CLAT. The candidate must have experience in education industry and will be responsible for all activities to have admissions for the institute. So you please check with the details provided for this position, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for detailed information. The number is 8328809265. Next, there is a job vacancy for social media executive position from Thoughtbox located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 10,000 to 12,000 rupees per month. So Thoughtbox is an event and advertising management company and very known in event industry operating in Ranchi and Noida. So for more details about this position, you please visit in this website link provided here, that is www.thoughtboxlive.com. You can also contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. The number is 7061440009. Next, there is a job vacancy for tender executive position from Shashanka Agrotech Private Limited located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 to 30,000 rupees per month. Coming to skills required, management preparation tendering, tender analysis, e-tendering, and the candidate should be having sound knowledge of MS Office and well developed negotiation skills, ability to coordinate several tasks at the same time, strong time management and organizational skills, and these are all the responsibilities and the skills required for this position for a candidate. So interested candidates, for detailed information you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 7485092424. Next, there is a job vacancy for junior account position from Santi Vita located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. For this, the qualification will be BCom. 2 to 5 years of experienced candidates are required for this position. Key skills will be bookkeeping, accountancy, and tally. So, interested candidates, you can send your resumes to the provided email ID, or else you can contact them with the given phone number for detailed information. There is a job opening for blog writer or content writer position from Jharkhand IT Services located in Ranchi. So for this, 0 to 2 years of experience is needed. Freshers can also required for this position. You please check with the required qualification and as well as with the job description provided here, and interested candidates you can approach them with the given phone number provided here. Next, there is a job vacancy for hiring graphic designer position from Jharkhand IT Services. Coming to qualification and skills details, the candidate must possess knowledge and expertise of Adobe Photoshop, Adobe InDesign, PageMaker, Adobe Illustrator and CorelDRAW, and experience of using video and editing equipment including still and video cameras, microphones, video and audio editing suite. Must have good time management skills. So these are the skills required for this position, and this is about job description. Please go through it once, and interested candidates you can approach them with the given phone number, that is 8092317529. Next, there is a job vacancy for extruder operator position from Savishnu Bakers Private Limited located in Ranchi, Jharkhand. They are offering a salary for this position is 20,000 rupees per month. So interested candidates, you please go through with the information provided here, and you can also contact them with the given phone number for detailed information about this position. Next, Indira Gandhi National Center for the Arts, Ministry of Culture, Government of India is hiring for the position of field assistant. So it is located in Ranchi. They are offering a salary for this position is 15,000 rupees per month. Only one vacancy is available. Freshers can also apply who have graduated in MSc degree. So last day to apply for this position is 23rd February 2021. And interested candidates, please check in the website link provided here, and you will get more detailed information about this position, about selection procedure and application procedure and all you will get in the website link. Hope and this video will help you a lot to find a job. If you like the video, please like, share to your friends and family members, and subscribe the channel for more updated videos, and also please encourage us to do more videos in your location. Thank you for watching the video.